implementation and rollout, uh, especially in the last year or so, has been time savings, right? I think, you know, there's less human error in our interpretation, right? And so, you know, all in all, we've got reduced error rates. We've got constant sanity checks and fact checking. And in this business, it's so easy to make the wrong assumption, right? And we can't afford us, to be wrong, right? I would say that turnaround times shortened significantly. Follow up became more reliable. The most important result is capacity, right? Senior attention's no longer consumed by noise from the operation that's not producing value. And AI has been helping us to discern a lot of that. And when I say AI, I'm referring to the AI use case that we've had to develop with you over the last year, right? This is not like I'm using something from the past. And I think, uh, you know, revenue is obviously one of the things that's, impacted, but indirectly because of the operational efficiencies. I mean, there's been gains in our freed time, right, which just allows for more utilization capacity, right, and it allows me to make higher value decisions and streamline. And that's compounding, right? We're subject to the law of exponential growth thanks to the way that we've implemented AI internally. The systems seem calmer, more controlled, and I think bottom line, in tandem with everything that we've said today, scalable, right? Like I think that that's the key component, is that with what you guys have helped us achieve in tandem with our implementation of AI and systems and incorporating the different tech solutions, we are now at a point of scalability, which is something that I feel, that's the result of having had our blind spots, you know, identified by you early on, and then ultimately all of our, assumptions being challenged by having that second opinion through our tech stack. So that